Hi, I'm Bill from Bill's Tools, and today I'm going to talk about the Pittsburgh Swivel Head Quick Release Ratchet from Harbor Freight. This is a 3/8 ratchet. I'm going to be using it today to be removing spark plugs from a Kohler generator. This 3/8 ratchet has 72 teeth, so I mean it doesn't need much space for it to engage. It rotates 270 degrees. So I mean, you can come back. You're not going to be able to get it all the way back to here because you're not going to get a socket on it. But probably, let's see where it stops. So you can get it to about right there and around. I mean, it does swivel, and it's got the quick release. There's no way though to get anything on there. It's made of chrome palladium steel, and it's got this nice cushioned handle. Which I'm not sure how long this is going to last, but I mean, for the price, the ratchet wasn't that expensive, so I think I spent like, I don't know, like $12 or $14. But let's try it out and see, because I have used it once or twice, and what I like about it is once you loosen something, then you can kind of almost use it like a driver. So you got the leverage to crack and brake, and then it's going into a driver mode. So let's see how it performs. The first plug. I'm going to use an extension just to bring it, just a little short extension, nothing close. And you can hear those teeth sound pretty nice. Let's get going. So that's tight. There we go. Start moving and straighten out. Now it's not going to work with the back one, but I really do like that feature. I mean, I've been using this driver forever, this ratchet from Husky, and it's a great ratchet. But I've been seeing this in Harbor Freight for a while as I've been walking past, and figured, why not? Let's check it out. I had a coupon, like 20% and 25% off. It's supposed to be gap 0.3. Perfect. I always like starting by hand. I can just drive it in as if I'm using a regular driver. Now setting it tight. And now I just finalize with that. Perfect. Now the one in the back is going to be just a little harder. Let's see how I'm going to get your guys' angle of what I'm about to do. I'll have to work in this space. Let's see how this performs in the back. Get the air filter box out of my way. Hopefully that thing is done rolling. Just gonna move the air filter box, give myself a little bit more clearance over this engine. Sometimes extensions get in the way here, so I might have to remove it. Change the direction. Easy. Space. Of course, as that socket's getting loose, it's got not much restriction. So what I'm doing is, from the top of the ratchet, I'm holding the quick release spot down tight to try to help it engage. Or else there'd be no pressure on the socket. Okay, oh, let's take this. At this point, I'm just going to do it by hand. It's very tight in that space. I like this ratchet. This is the second time using it. I like that I can go from ratchet to almost a driver. Okay, both sockets are out. Both plugs are out. Next new plug in. Okay. I'm gonna have to use it a little more. See what I think of this ratchet. But so far, I'm pretty impressed with what I've needed it to do. I always recommend everything you do, start by hand before you try to get any tools and anything that's threading in, so you don't cross thread it. And this back wall does come off. It's not that hard to remove. Again, here I am, holding down on it. Okay. There we go. This is the spark plugs. All in all, I do like this ratchet. It is pretty nice, and I am going to be adding it to my toolbox to use on a regular basis. I do like this feature of it. But yes, it was a ratchet, but now it's almost just like a big nut driver. So, and you do get different angles, but I'm not sure if it's any better of an angle than I was getting when I was using this, because I was able to get that angle. I can't get that angle with this. So I was coming around the bottom of something, I can reach around and slowly. For here, I'm not going to get quite the luxury of that. But still, if you're in the market for a ratchet, I can't see this going wrong, especially because it's got a lifetime warranty. So I give this one a thumbs up. It's definitely a Harbor Freight win, not a lose on their end. And this thing was probably one of the best things I picked up, because I mean, it's hot, humid everywhere I go. I just leave this thing on, blowing on me non-stop. Great fan. If you use Milwaukee batteries, M18s, check it out. But back to the Pittsburgh. Can't go wrong, man. I'm Bill from Bill's Tools. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Share so others can see this interesting little ratchet. Till next time, I'm out.